Today is Tuesday, November 4, 2026. We're on the dolphin chasing boat, or dolphin something boat. It's a gorgeous day. It was probably 73, 74 degrees on the water. No idea if it's breezy because we're moving, probably not all that fast. Plenty of room on the boat. We can kind of go anywhere we want. We hope to see dolphins pretty soon. Apparently that's a VA hospital over there, the second largest one in the United States. And this all is a huge park connected with it, and it's free to get there and park and enjoy. We haven't seen any splashing yet.